Hi everyone, this is Sunsky channel, myself Revati. Let's see how to cook mutton bone soup in Indian style. The mutton bone soup that I'm cooking here is cooked in South India Chettinad, and it's very healthy. This soup gives strength to our bones and improves our immunity. This soup is very tasty, spicy, and the meat is very tender and nice. I have cooked in a very simple way. Do refer the ingredients and the quantities here. So these are the ingredients required. I have taken here is 1 kg of lamb, that is mutton bone, cleaned and washed, and have taken 2 medium sized tomatoes, 3 red onions, 10 to 15 green chilies, a few coriander leaves, few curry leaves, 1 inch size of ginger, 3 to 4 tablespoons of yellow lentils, that is tur dal. I have cooked it to very nice consistency. It's cooked and I have mashed it. This one, when we add to the soup, it will give a nice flavor and thick consistency to the soup. Have taken sunflower vegetable cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and 30 black peppercorns, bay leaf, cloves, cinnamon stick, cardamom, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of fennel powder, 1 to 2 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. So these are the required ingredients. So first I will crush the ginger and will add to the mutton. Will take some 10 to 15 black peppercorn and will add to the mutton bones. Will add 3 by 4 tablespoon of salt here, so that our mutton have salty taste also. Then take 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in a pressure cooker. I'm going to cook these mutton bones for 5 to 6 whistles. If you are not using a pressure cooker, you can cook in a separate wok, but the mutton bones has to be cooked to very soft and tender stage. After I stir it for a minute, I will add required amount of water and cook for 5 to 6 whistles, so that it's soft and tender. And at the same time, I will take a wok and heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm not going to add more oil here because the bones will also have some fat which will be released later in the soup from the lamb mutton bones. We'll add all the seasoning here, that is the fennel seeds, cumin seeds. I have taken bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, star anise, and once it pops up, then I will add curry leaves, onions, and stir it for a while. Then add the half split green chilies. I have taken here 10 to 15 green chilies. As we are not going to add any chili powder or garam masala here, so the only hotness and spiciness to this recipe is the green chili and the black peppercorn. So add accordingly. This is not so spicy and hot, I tell you. I'm Once the onions is half cooked, we'll be adding the chopped tomatoes here. Tomatoes should be neither should be more or less. I mean, if added more, the soup will be a bit sour. We'll be adding pinch of salt here so that it gets cooked fast or quick. Once the tomato and onion is cooked to a mashy consistency, see, this is the consistency, it's almost cooked. So we'll add the cumin powder, fennel powder, turmeric powder, and required amount of salt. Then stir it for a minute. Once the masalas are mixed well with the oil, we'll add the cooked mutton bone and the cooked lentils. If you see, the mutton bone is nicely cooked. The meat on the mutton bones is very soft and tender. We'll add the cooked lentils also here, and we'll add the required amount of water. Once the lentils and mutton bones are added to this soup, just add required amount of water. I am taking here 1 liter of water for this soup today. Once added the hot water to this soup, close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it's boiling nicely. If you see, we have added around 3 tablespoons of oil, but if you see, there's a lot of fat on the recipe from the mutton bones itself. That's a fat from the mutton bones. The mutton bones meat is cooked to very soft and tender. The soup is ready, garnished with coriander leaves. This recipe goes well with cooked steamed rice, and should have a side dish of spicy and hot vegetable or meat. I have taken here a spicy and sour pumpkin gravy with this soup. Is a nice combination. Do try at home. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Do remember to press the notification bell to receive my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.